Okay, thanks for coming. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previously, we talked about how to use Google Colab. So today we gonna talk about data analysis again, and in this section we talk about how to use Pandas. What is Pandas? Is a package or model from Python to data processing. So if you have data that explain data like sellers data, we can use Panda to processing that data. So we go to maybe official website here about Panda. You can go to this pandas.pydata.org. You can use a documentation direct to the code. First thing we need to do is import or we just delete all. We start over again. First thing you need to do is import panda package certainly. And this is how we use Panda. And then we use maybe we can just a simple Panda version. We test our version of Pandas. In this tutorial, what time is this? 26 December is 1.5.3. So this is how we use a Panda. And the next is we're gonna talk about, I will explain here. Series. Okay. We use start over again. Okay. What is series? Series is a row of labeled data. So when we have a couple data or many data, we can label it as a data that we can use for multiple purpose. Next, a simple series is about name. I have a name here. Explain maybe Ju, Mark, and last thing is Jordan. So this is a series. And then how to use Panda to process this variable as a series. So we use print to print a data PD, and then we can use series here, name. If you start this, if we I will store is to a name, and then if we print the data type of this is will print as a series, Panda series. So in this time we talk about series. You can use your data. Maybe you can use like age 23 and then 45 or something else. You can explain your data again, store your data again. I mean age, you can print it again. sorry, this is not this. So basically a series is a simple data for data processing, and maybe uh, for this time is enough. So thanks for watching and see you next tutorial.